Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add developer tab in Microsoft Excel. This one. So you want to add this developer tab, file, options. Now here click on customize ribbon. So in this right side panel you will see some options for tab. So to add developer tab, if it's unselected, so select this box, then click on OK. So this way you can insert and add this developer tab. Want to remove, same process, file, account, options, and here unselect this box, then click on OK. So this way you can remove developer tab in Excel. Thanks for watching.